This video will guide you through step by step on how to draw an equilateral triangle of 10 centimeter long. So if you want to do that, you first of all draw a straight line of 10 centimeter. So now once you draw a straight line of 10 centimeter, and this is your point A and your point B. So in order to draw an equilateral triangle of this dimension, you will now open your pair of compass from this point and you now expand it to point A. So once you achieve that, you will now cut an arc. Now using that same radius, you will now stand at this point and you now cut another arc. Now where these two lines intersect is your point C. In order to draw equilateral triangle, you will now extend a line from point A to point C and from point C to point B. So let's do that. So this is an equilateral triangle of 10 centimeter. If this is helpful, do not forget to like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.